Currently, we have a situation here at the Torrington building where it has appeared as if the integrity of the staircase has been compromised, where you can obviously see that the building or the stairway has collapsed, and 3 levels from the second floor, the third and the fourth persons are left inside. What is happening now is members from the Jamaica Fire Brigade, they are assisting persons to get on the outside, and what is needed is for this way to be cleared and the necessary assistance given to these persons over time to have their life come back to some form of regularity.
Sir?
No, it is obvious that the level of damage caused to this building, it won't be possibly be taking some amount of time for the building to repair. But what the police, we as police has to do is to ensure that we secure the scene and allow the necessary department to offer such assistance. So far an elderly female has been injured. She has already been assisted by the police to the Kingston Public Hospital, where that person is currently receiving treatment for their injuries.
The people who are now at the top of the property, are they able to exit in any way?
No, as I said before, that based on what is happening, the fire personnel would have to offer some level of assistance to get them down.